be showing you guys how I like to make my Southern style butter beans. So let's get right into this video. As you can see, I've already cooked my bacon. I used 6 slices of bacon. And I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side on some paper towels and a plate. Just set it to the side because we'll slice this up, well, we'll dice it up and use it for our beans after this. But the next thing that we're going to do, I'm just going to dice up some onions, and I want to cook my onions in that bacon grease that we just created. And just dice me up some onions. I got some big pieces, small pieces, it really don't matter. I mean, but you can dice your onions or slice them or however you like to do your onions. But for this recipe, it doesn't matter, too big, too small. And plus, I like a little onion in my beans anyway. So, yeah. We're just going to let those cook until they're translucent. And then we'll move over to the oven. Our bacon grease and our onions over here into our Dutch pots. And now I'm going to add my garlic. Add in a little garlic. And I'm going to also add in, say, a tablespoon of our roasted chicken base. Alright, so now we're just going to add the water. Add the water to it. Yeah, so now we got our water in there. And we're just going to bring that to a boil. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our beans. So we'll be back. We're going to add our beans in. And now what you want to do is you want to cover your pot, put your heat on medium-low, and just let it cook for about a good hour and a half. And then we'll come back in an hour and a half and see the progress that we made and see how tender it is. So my beans have been cooking for about a good hour now. Yeah, a good hour. So I went ahead and added my bacon in. And I'm just going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper. But that is pretty much it, y'all. The key to some Southern style butter beans. A little bacon, a little onion, a little garlic, you know, salt and pepper. And of course your beans. And we're done. I'm going to probably let this cook for about 20 more minutes, but I mean, we're pretty much done. They already tender, so you don't have to cook them for hours either. That's the good thing about them. You can get them frozen, you can get them fresh, and they pretty much cook within an hour and a half. So thank y'all for watching this recipe. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe, and see you later.